Did you know you can generate images directly inside an Instagram chat? In the next few seconds, you can see images that were created right inside Instagram DMs without using any external app. Now let me show you how to do it. I've opened Instagram and switched to my direct messages. First, choose the chat where you want to send a generated image. Once you open the chat, tap on the message input field. On your keyboard, type a /, just like this. As soon as you do that, additional options will appear. The first option is Meta AI, which lets you chat with AI. The second option is Silent Message. The third option is Imagine. This is the feature that allows you to generate images based on a text description, also known as a prompt. Tap on Imagine to continue. Imagine lets you describe an image in words, and Instagram will generate a visual based on that description. In this example, I'm going to paste a prompt that was created for me by ChatGPT. The prompt is, serene, natural landscape with a calm lake, surrounded by lush green trees and gentle hills, soft daylight, realistic, peaceful atmosphere. After sending the message, wait a few seconds while Instagram generates the image. Once the image appears, you'll see several options below it. You can like or dislike the image, download it by tapping the down arrow icon, or share it by tapping the paper plane icon. Now I'll repeat the same process with another prompt. This time I'll use snowy mountain landscape with white peaks, pine trees, clear blue sky, soft winter light, peaceful, realistic. After a short moment, Instagram generates a completely different image with a winter atmosphere. What's interesting is that you can generate multiple styles and scenes in the same chat, making it easy to experiment with different ideas. That's it. This feature is a fun and powerful way to create images directly inside Instagram chats and share them instantly with friends. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.